best Wi-Fi water valve provide remote control, leak prevention, automated scheduling, and efficient water management for safer, smarter plumbing. My today's video is about top 5 best Wi-Fi water valve for plumbing that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Frankever DN20 Smart Water Valve. The Frankever Smart Water Valve is a practical upgrade for safer, smarter plumbing and irrigation, combining durable construction with convenient remote control. Its food-grade SS304 stainless steel and ABS engineering plastic offer reliable, weather-resistant performance, while the IP65 waterproof design makes it suitable for gardens, lawns, yards, and other outdoor applications. Wi-Fi connectivity through the Smart Life app eliminates the need for a hub, while Alexa, Google Home, and Siri compatibility adds convenient voice control. Water flow can be adjusted from 0 to 100% in 10% increments, and the included DN20 to DN25 brass adapter improves installation flexibility. Scheduled watering can run multiple times daily or weekly, helping reduce unnecessary water consumption. It can also integrate with a compatible leak sensor to automatically stop water flow when leaks are detected. Most impressively, its power failure protection automatically closes the valve within seconds, adding an extra layer of security. Now our second product is Aplag Smart Wi-Fi Water Valve. This smart PVC electric ball valve is a convenient choice for modern plumbing systems, offering a blend of remote control, manual operation, and automatic safety. Its Wi-Fi connectivity works with the Tuya app, allowing you to open or close the water valve remotely from your smartphone, which is especially useful for managing water flow without needing to access the valve directly. A physical button provides quick open and close control, while the manual knob switch offers an additional way to operate the valve when needed. The durable PVC joint ball valve is designed for convenient installation, making it suitable for various household water control applications. One of its standout features is the power-off return setting, which automatically returns the valve to its preset position when electrical power is interrupted. This can provide greater control and peace of mind during unexpected outages. Overall, it's a practical, smart plumbing solution for flexible, efficient, and convenient water flow management. Our third product is YoLink DIY Automatic Water Leak Detection. This smart water valve emphasizes the importance of proper installation for reliable, long-term performance. Choosing a suitable installation location based on the surrounding environment and operating conditions is essential to protect the device and maintain consistent valve operation. It should be kept away from excessive moisture, flooding, standing water, condensation, extreme temperatures, and other harsh conditions unless it is specifically designed for those environments. Installing the valve in an unsuitable location may expose internal components to damage, potentially affecting measurement accuracy and overall performance. For challenging environments, using appropriate protection, insulation, or a suitable enclosure can provide an added layer of safety and durability. This makes installation planning just as important as the valve itself, particularly when integrating it into plumbing systems where water exposure is unavoidable. Overall, following the recommended installation requirements can help preserve the valve's functionality, reduce the risk of premature damage, and ensure dependable water flow control over time. Now on number 4, Crispair Wi-Fi Smart Water Leak Detection. The Crispair Smart Water Valve system offers practical whole-home leak protection with a reliable, hub-free design. Operating exclusively on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, it provides strong range and wall penetration for responsive remote valve control and real-time alerts, making it important to confirm your router supports 2.4 GHz before purchase. 2 high-sensitivity water sensors can monitor separate vulnerable areas, such as under sinks, near water heaters, or in basements, automatically triggering alerts and shutting off the EVO valve within seconds when moisture is detected. Installation is particularly convenient because the valve operator clamps directly onto an existing ball valve handle, eliminating pipe cutting, soldering, or complicated plumbing work. Direct router connectivity also saves space and avoids the cost of a separate hub. For added security, the patented dual alarm combines an 85 dB siren with a bright flashing light, ensuring leaks remain noticeable even when your phone is silent or unavailable. And our last choice is Heozi Wi-Fi Smart Water Valve. This Wi-Fi smart water valve is a comprehensive solution for monitoring water usage, preventing leaks, and managing plumbing remotely. Its 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity works without a gateway, allowing users to open or close the valve and monitor flow rate and consumption through the app from virtually anywhere. W-type ultrasonic technology provides accurate flow detection, while customizable high and low-flow alerts can trigger automatic shutoff during issues, such as burst pipes or unusually low flow. Smart water meter statistics track daily, monthly, and previous usage, helping identify waste and improve efficiency. Installation requires a 5V/2A power adapter, while the built-in rechargeable 2,600 mAh NiMH battery provides manual valve operation during power outages, although app control and monitoring are unavailable in battery mode. Tuya app scenes can also integrate with compatible leak detectors for automatic shutoff and instant smartphone notifications. Overall, it delivers intelligent monitoring, flexible automation, and added protection for household plumbing. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.